Hi students, Happy Together was a big hit by the Turtles from Westchester, California. The members of the band went to the same high school, and the two lead singers were in choir there. This piece, let's first talk about the tab. Remember, the numbers are the frets. So basically you have a D minor chord outlined by the 1 on the E string, and then the 2 in the C string and the 2 in the G string. And so you have basically the D minor, and then, the only thing I could figure is like to pluck them. Let me show what I'm doing. I'm playing, kind of like a la harp. I'm holding on to these strings 2, 3, and 4, and I'm doing the this is the D minor where they show, and I'm going, excuse me, that hammer on. If you don't want to do that, you just play the D in short down strums. Bum ba da ba da ba da bum ba da ba da ba. Imagine me and you, I do. I think about you day and night. It's right to think about the girl you love and hold her tight. So happy together. If you should call me up, invest a dime, and you say you belong to me, and ease my mind, imagine how the world would be so very fine, so happy together. Now before the chorus, let me move the music up. You have 2 measures of A flat. The first time you didn't do anything fancy at the end of this phrase, but at the end of this phrase on the album they do triplets. So it's then 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet. Now 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet is 3/8 notes played in the place of 1 quarter note, and so it would be down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Or in tempo, it would be, it's an F. No, A7. It's right here. So it would be. I can't see me loving nobody but you for all my life. For all my life, me and you, and you and me, no matter how they toss the dice, it had to be. The only one for me is you, and you for me, so happy together. So I did it again, the triplet. I purposely choked the chords to a very short sound. And I do that by just using my palm to mute all the strings after each chord. Oh, excuse me. It's no, it's D. A minor. Now that's pretty abrupt. And it's very extreme. You don't have to do that. But if you listen to the music, the album, they do choke it off like that. So it's a very short, aggressive, like strum. For the rest of the song, you can just do down. Imagine me, I do. I think about you day and night. It's only right to think about the girl you love. Now the B flat, which you remember if you play guitar, it's like an F chord. So this one finger is covering two strings. And on the first fret, it's a B flat. On the second fret, it's a B. So it's a, and you don't have to cut it that short. Like I said, it's very extreme, but it's as you get better, you will be able to do that. A millisecond after the strum to stop all the strings. A reminder: we're on vacation now, spring break. We'll be back in 2 weeks. I'll talk to you then. Have fun.